Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to share QR code of TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. But before starting the process, make sure your TikTok app is up to date, because if your app will not be updated, then some of the feature will not be same as mine. So make sure your app is up to date. After making sure open the TikTok application. Once it will be open, you will see 5 different options on the bottom of your mobile screen. From these options, you have to tap on this profile. And now we are in our profile section. You don't have to go anywhere. You will see 3 options here: edit profiles, share profile, tab on this share profile. And now this is my TikTok QR code. And let's other follow you by scanning your QR code. It means when someone will scan the QR code, he will follow me on TikTok. But how can you download this QR code here? You can see the option share profile, tap on it, and here is the option download on the bottom left. Tap on it. Now this picture has been saved to my gallery. Now close the application and open the mobile phone gallery. Here you can see this is my QR code of TikTok. Now if someone will scan it, then he will follow me on TikTok. So it was the basic way by which you can download your TikTok QR code.